Well, the governor of Oregon has banned large gatherings in the state, and that is why Portland Public Schools, Beaverton Schools, and Salem-Keizer Schools are all suspending events that bring large groups of students, adults, and community members together. This includes school assemblies, events, and off-campus field trips. As for sporting events, no one other than essential personnel and credentialed media can attend. Now, for PPS and Salem-Keizer, this is set to last for 30 days. Beaverton schools say until further notice.
Meanwhile, students in the Park Row School District will not have school today if they are in pre-K through 8th grade. School officials say there will be no school for kids in pre-K through the 5th grade tomorrow. Middle school students will have school tomorrow. High school will have class today and tomorrow. Well, parent-teacher conferences have also been canceled throughout the week.
Well, Oregon health officials say there are now 21 coronavirus cases in the state. The virus is in 8 counties now. We're told the 2 most recent cases are men over the age of 80. Officials say they had no known close contact with the previous cases. They're living at Edward C. Allworth Veterans Home in Lebanon. They tell us residents there are in isolation and they're receiving treatment. And this morning, a strike team is expected to test all of the residents and staff members at that facility. Well, Governor Kate Brown announced late last night that gatherings of 250 people or more are now canceled in an effort to slow the spread of the virus.
She is expected to give more details on this plan this morning. Elise Haas joins us live to tell us what information the governor has released so far and what we can expect today. Elise?
Ken and Jenny, so the Governor Brown has put a ban on all public gatherings of more than 250 people. That ban is statewide and it will last for 4 weeks. On top of that, Governor Brown is recommending that all non-essential school-related activities be canceled as well. For instance, things like field trips, parent group meetings, and competitions. She's also making suggestions for businesses. She says that businesses should take measures to make distance in the workplace, put limits on in-person meetings, limit on travel, and staggering work schedules where possible. The strict limitations for long-term care in assisted living facilities remains in place as well. So our office says that as the number of positive cases increase across Oregon, public health resources will be directed towards implementing these guidelines and policies in the state mitigation plan, and then reduced focus on aggressive contact on those follow-up on each individual positive case. She says that we are seeing COVID-19 across many different age groups as well as several counties. And so she says that many of the times the people with the virus don't even know each other. They've never come in contact with one another. So she says this is the time we need to do this now to slow the spread of the coronavirus in Oregon and take care of one another. Plus, like Ken and Jenny mentioned, coming up at 9 o'clock, Governor Brown is going to be holding a press conference to talk about this issue and to answer all of our questions about this latest ban. So we'll bring you more information as soon as we get it and post that at KOIN.com. Of course, you can see us again with an update at KOIN 6 News at noon. Ken and Jenny.
All right. Thank you, Elise. In Washington state, health officials say the coronavirus has killed at least 29 people. There are more than 360 confirmed cases in Washington state. And starting today, Seattle Public Schools will be closed for 2 weeks. Several other school districts in Washington state will also close. And yesterday, Governor Jay Inslee announced a ban on public gatherings and events of more than 250 people. And this is effective in King, Pierce,